I've always had this thing against the best friend of my boyfriend. Ang dami, boyfriend. But whoever I'm in a relationship with, I always had issues. Hindi talaga ako, I understand the girlfriend. Pampagulo talaga kayo. Sorry. No, you're not pampagulo. It's just that, put yourself in the position of your best friend's girlfriend. Kung ikaw ay may boyfriend, at yung boyfriend mo yun ay merong best friend, at sa tuwing nagkakaroon kayo ng problema, ang tinatawagan niya at ang tinatext niya ay yung best friend niya. Diba? Babae pa rin naman yun. May hormones pa rin naman yun. Nakakaramdam pa rin naman yun ng kung ano-ano mga signals at nakakaramdam pa rin naman yun ng mga emotional highs. And open pa rin naman sa temptation. Tao lang yun. So would you really trust your boyfriend dun sa best friend mo? Marami na pong violent reactions dito sa gilid ko. Nag-agree ka na sa akin? Hindi pa rin. Ay, hindi pa rin talaga. Ikaw rin? Hindi pa rin? Anyway. Diba? Ito na lang, scenario. This is what I always do. So sobrang, I think I should put up a foundation for this advocacy. That's how strongly I feel about it, okay? Parang gusto ko sa ihilera sa World Vision, UNICEF, Bayani One. Gusto ko yung level ng advocacy ko against the best friend of the boyfriend or the girlfriend, okay? Kasi, okay, sabihin na natin, kunwari, yung tatay ng boyfriend mo, nagkasakit, or namatay. At ang unang sabihin niya yung best friend niya at hindi ikaw. Diba? Bilang girlfriend, dapat ikaw ang kanyang ka-soul connection. Dapat ikaw ang kausap niya pagdating sa mga masasela na mga bagay. Dapat pag nagkakaproblema kayo, kayong dalawa ang mag-uusap at hindi yung best friend niya. Kung lalaki yung best friend niya, okay lang. Diba? Kung yung isang best friend mo naman na yun, nanay na, okay lang. O kaya naman elder sa simbahan, madre, okay lang. But for him to still have that private connection with a best friend, talagang you're playing with fire. I really think you're opening the door to something. So I'm sorry. Meron kong girlfriend? Meron kong best friend? I don't think so. Joke lang. So yeah, so I'm really sorry, Michelle. Obviously, ito na mga, mas lumala lang ang problema, di ba? At saka, may kakailangan na rin kayo. So, I think what you should do is, the ball is in your best friend's court. Siya bahala mag-desisyon if he's gonna stick with your friendship and keep the distance between you, that close proximity, or satisfy the girlfriend's wishes and medyo dumistansya na sa'yo. One of these two. So, I really can't help you with that. Yun lang. Just to give you a different perspective, I guess. Anyway, if you guys really need some advice, especially when it comes to that, yun po ang aking